Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna head out to Norwalk again. You saw in the last video that we bought Summit Motorsports for a couple days. We're gonna be doing big events out there. Today we're gonna test some roll racing and actually give you guys a tour of the track. We're at Mike's house shop where I do most of the work. Mike's over there looking all nice and handsome. So we're gonna head out to Norwalk. It's about an hour and 10-minute drive from our house. It's not bad at all. So we'll get out there, give you guys a tour, and do some testing. All right, guys, we made it to Norwalk. We talked a little business and stuff, and now we're gonna talk about what we're gonna do for the NHS event. First, we'll have the staging lanes. You can see them like right over here. We'll probably have like slick tire cars and 1 and 2, then street tire cars like 4 or 5, and then motorcycles like in 7 or something right there. And then right back here is where we're gonna start the roll racing. We're gonna back up everyone to this wall, and the lights will be right up there. And that's when it turns green, everyone's going to go. And we're gonna test that here a little bit later after the tour. We're gonna put my car back here, my daily driver, and see if I can get up to 40 and hold it, no problem. Got Mike up there, hanging out in the grandstand right now, watching us. He's all the way up there. So we're gonna keep riding around on our little scooters and give you a tour of Norwalk. This is all the staging lanes out here. They're massive, they're huge. Now we gotta figure out where we wanna set up our tents and booths. Chad, I'm thinking like right over here. We set up the merch tent right here. Pappy Bob's barbecue food truck. We're right next to the staging lanes. We'll set up our cars. Guys, there'll be restrooms over there we'll show. They do have so much food, but since it's our private event, we're not setting any of that up because we'll have Pappy Bob's barbecue. And if you don't like barbecue, feel free to bring in anything else that you want. And let's show you some more. Got a little playground for the kiddos, so definitely, yeah, bring your family and come hang out. And this right here, that's why it's called Dog Track Concessions, is for dogs. Dogs can hang out in there, do whatever they want to do. Then, I think we will have tech. Yeah, we put it right over here. 112 race fuel. All right, yep. So after you guys come in, tech will be located right over here by this fuel pump station, which is right on its way over to the staging lanes. So we'll tech in right over here. Now we got to figure out where we're going to have registration and everyone sign up. Like to only have one gate open, that way none of you guys get lost or situated or you can't find anything. So we would have you come in on this gate, which is off of 601. Come in here, we'll have probably a sign saying registration, or we'll just have the girls set up right here, so you know where everything is. It's nice and close. Like, yeah, way back up there, there's definitely room for a burnout pit. We could definitely set that one up. Scales. Time slip booth, which we're still seeing if we can find someone to work it, because, you know, if someone wants to sit out here all the way by themselves, or we're just probably gonna have the time slips right up at the tree. We're still working on figuring out that. If you have any suggestions, let us know. Still going towards the end of the track. It's about a mile long, and on these scooters right now, yeah, we're 18, 19 miles per hour, so we're cruising, but it takes a minute. Yep, the airport right there. I would love to be able to partner up with them. Chad, what if we got cool with this airport and hosted like half-mile roll racing events? Yeah, no fly zone right here. Oh, ask them, be like, can we connect stuff into here? Oh my God, that would be so sweet. A no fly zone right next to the track.
All you have to do is pour a driveway.
Yeah, we'll ask them. Can we pour a driveway and go? That would be so sick. Yeah, the property they own all the way out through that woods and everywhere. Like, there's literally 30,000 people here during big events. Sand pit, gravel pit. That'll slow you down in a hurry. Well,
I don't have the other half mile to do it.
oh yeah, there's not enough room.
I was saying with Mike, I was like, yeah, you know, I like how they don't really give you much of a sand pit. They just give you enough room.
Yeah, if you can't slow your car down in 3/4 of a mile, you got issues. Like
Failure somewhere.
all the way down there. Everything. Oh, but it would be so sweet to host like no-fly events here. Chad, I want it. We should buy it. Alright guys, we need you to buy like 30 million t-shirts so we can afford this track. Got it? Alright, let's do it. So many big grandstands, VIP boxes everywhere. This place is massive. There's a whole bunch more food concession stands over there. Got the big office building right here. Oh, where'd Mike go? Mike go? All right guys, we're back. I'm gonna go ahead and get the car and we're gonna test out some 40 roll racing.
Wow.
All right guys, that is pretty fun. Right by where the Christmas tree is, my car can get up to 40 pretty fine. We might do like a stoplight set up probably 60 feet past it, or like right at the 60-foot line, because there's going to be some slower cars. My car's decently fast, it's like low 12s, but that way everyone can get some more room. Or we might drop it down to a 30 roll. Let us know what you might want to do. But yep, this is Norwalk. This is where No Half Sends 2021 is going to be. This is my hometown. This is where I'm from. And yeah, that's about all for today. We're actually going to go about 10 minutes down the road to my dad's house, my family home where I'm from. And we brought all of our boomsticks with us. So we're going to light off a few rounds and we'll probably give you some footage of that. But anyways, hey, we'll talk to you guys later.
I'm looking out the kitchen.